If you want a drone shot but do not have a drone or do not want to spend money just for one video, then Flow AI is the best free solution. It turns your photo into a realistic drone shot video instantly. First open Google and search for Flow AI. Click on the official website, it will be right at the top. Once the site opens, click on Create with Flow. Now sign up with your email ID. After signing in, your dashboard will open. On your dashboard, click on New Project. Below you will see the option text to video. You have to change to frame to video for the drone shot videos. Click the plus button and upload your photo which you want to convert into a video. After the photo upload, you will see a prompt box. Here you have to write your video prompt. For example, I will type make a video of a realistic drone shot. Finally, click on generate and Flow AI will start creating your cinematic AI video from your single photo. Just wait a few seconds and boom, your drone style AI video is ready. I'm clicking the photo and maximizing the screen. And that's it. The video came out really good. The realistic drone shot looks amazing. Flow AI did a perfect job. If you want to download the video, click on download symbol. You can generate in two types, animated GIF and original size. If you want more tech tutorials like this, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.